After almost 20 years under the British rule, we got our freedom on 15th of August 1947. It's been 73 years now and we are enjoying our freedom. But hardly do we know, there were several freedom fighters who were against the British rule, who are unheard of. We can name them, but so less do we know about them and their journey. Thanks to the power of cinema, we are able to know the story of Bhagat Singh and Mangal Pandey. But there are a lot of freedom fighters to whom we are unheard of their heroic instances. There were many, but I am going to share the story of Bal Gangadhar Tilak at this moment. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23rd of July 1856. He was an Indian nationalist, teacher and an independence activist. He was the biggest leader before Mahatma Gandhi. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, is the slogan which was given by him. He was born into a middle class Brahmin family. In 1876, he earned a bachelor degree from Deccan College of Pune in mathematics and Sanskrit. In 1879, he completed law from the University of Bombay. Further, he decided to teach mathematics in a private school in Pune, from where his political career began. He founded the Deccan Education Society in 1884 to educate people, especially in the English language, because at that time he and his associates believed that English is a powerful force for liberal and democratic ideals. He started awakening people through newspaper like Kesari in Marathi and in English the Maharatha. From these papers, he became famous and criticized Britishers. Two important festivals were also organized by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, namely Ganesh in 1893 and Shivaji in 1895. Ganesha because the god is headed by the elephant and worshipped by all Hindus, and Shivaji because he was the first Hindu ruler who fought against Muslim power in India and established the Maratha Empire in 17th century. Bal Gangadhar Tilak joined the Indian National Congress (INC) in 1890 and started self-rule. He was the first nationalist freedom fighter who brought the concept of Swaraj. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, is the slogan given by him. In India, he started the Swadeshi movement. Jamshed Tata and Tilak together established Bombay Swadeshi stores to promote the national movement. Do you know, together Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal and Lala Lajpat Rai are known as Lal Bal Pal. Interesting, isn't it? Tilak was against the Age of Consent Act of 1891. To achieve the political aim, Tilak wanted to generate a mass movement which is different from the opinion of moderates, and so in 1907 there was a split in moderates and extremists in Surat session. British took the benefit of the situation and sent Bal Gangadhar Tilak to the Mandalay jail in Burma, now Myanmar, to serve a 6-year prison in sentence. In April 1916, Bal Gangadhar Tilak launched the Indian Home Rule League, which the rousing slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. In September 1916, Annie Besant launched the Home Rule League at Madras, now Chennai, in Tamil Nadu. Bal Gangadhar Tilak died on 1st August 1920. He published the Arctic Home in Vedas, which represent the origin of Aryans, and Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Rahasya, in 1915. Also do we know, Om Raut directed the Lokmanya Ek Yug Purush, which was released in 2nd of January 2015. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak or Lokmanya Tilak influenced people, spread the message of Swaraj. He was a great orator and inspired several masses. In Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on a huge scale and is considered one of the main festivals which was started by the Tilak only. He spent a lot of time reading Hindu religious books. So this was the small introduction of unsung heroes of India, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In this auspicious day of 74th independence, I, along with Winners Guide family, wish you a very happy Independence Day. Take care.